That now nothing to do with me, Tavi.
You never pay WorldDawg for be a part of the show.
Me pay WorldDawg and me pay Dino crazy. As me say, hold on, bro. Me not explain everything to you.
You pay Valdo too. Don't left out Valdo, you know. Cut the fuckery.
No.
For the culture.
For the culture.
Exactly, for the culture. Out of many one people.
For the culture. For the culture. For the culture.
For the culture. Play the no, play the song.
You never pay them for create one bag of fuckery narrative around my name, bro.
No, Tavi, listen to the pain part coming, bro. Remember, you hear me? Just listen to me explain everything to you, bro. Zin? Remember, say, bro, me as a creator, bro, me come out as a nobody, you know, bro. Remember, say, me not depend on internet, nothing, you know. Me just come and me have an idea for say your roommates. You understand? Because you have love and hip hop. And me as I say, people glorify Jamaica pan a whole, bro. And me say, you know, so we need one show like love and hip hop. What me can do? And me say, alright. You know, say, me rate the influence of them. Can me ever watch your team, watch WorldDawg, them, Dino, them. You see me? And then they think them watch. And I say, yo, what if me can create one reality show with all that influence of them living in one house and they compete? And I say, oh, me can.
You're straight from the point, bro.
Listen, bro, get to the point.
The whole of we know say you come up with the idea A76 roommate. The whole of we know. And what the whole of we know say Mark Tracy bring the money. Well, who for know? Mark Tracy bring the money to A76 roommate, the realest way for make it reach a level. What we know say you have the idea the realest way and everything where you say, everybody there for work with. We know that. When me I talk about, bro, is the fact say, look now, bro, when me left the show, the fact say the youth them get manipulated. We are part of the show for go against me. And even after the show deal with and certain when me talk certain things, you know remember say they are pre for sue me Cashment.
Bro, because all I know not talk be a thing. But as me say, Tavi, in terms of pain, all I know Tavi.
How comes that me I did the only one here they are try sue?
Bro, you wanna say be a little thing, bro, and then Carlington start explain to me, say, you know, say Tavi sometime in the mind space and really did it. So for us, low him out. You understand? Because me mind, bro, the reason why me not go sue you, know, cause remember say no defamation of character, you know, bro. You go there and say, me try to set up your life.
My thing and not defamation of character.
Oh, it be defamation?
No, you literally, bro, you literally, cause remember, you know, Cashment. We remember everything now. When me left the show, you never put out the trailer with WorldDawg at this me the day after, 2 days after. You know, say me could have sue you for that?
Right now, me have one copyright strike for you, know.
Yeah, because you're pussy. I'ma start move like pussy them time there. No, you're lucky so me never did have the footage with Wagwan so that episode there go down too.
Yo, what Tavi, as Mr. Tavi, not never really planned, bro. Not never really planned. Me not pay nobody for go against you. None of that, bro. You see me?
You know, bro.
Yes, bro, we can't sweep on everything, bro. Nothing like that, bro.
No, you can't sweep on this now, cause you got dead. Bro, this you can't swear upon. Because you're swearing, I gotta kill you. Cashman, it would have mad for you for really admit the truth to me, dog.
Tavi.
Because I don't know certain things already, you know. It would have nice for you for admit the truth.
We have to admit like Tavi, when me pay people to go against you for. You're WorldDawg, pan the show, on the develop on the differences, bro. That now nothing to do with me, Tavi.
You never pay WorldDawg for be a part of the show.
Me pay WorldDawg and me pay Dino crazy. As me say, hold on, bro, me not explain everything to you.
You pay Valdo too. Don't left out Valdo, you know. Cut the fuckery.
No, man. Mark pay Valdo.
You never play Bumbo Clan.
Mark pay Valdo, bro. Mark pay Valdo. Because after I link Valdo say, yo, he want this and he want that. And I say, me now pay Valdo.
And what the purpose why you pay them to be a part of the show, for bring strength?
Hold on, bro. Me I tell you how paying part come in, bro. Just listen to me I say how paying part come in, bro. Remember say, me I don't know influence, me I just want you to do an idea. So in order for people to believe. All right. See if you remember this. You remember say, yeah, when I first person would text me and say, yo, this thing real. Remember say, you remember you text me that, ask me say, yo, this thing real. After we come out to the trailer and say, we are giving $1 million. You say, this thing real.
Yeah,
you
never ask me if it real because my supporter them a pressure me.
Alright, so it come back to this now, me I tell you say why me have to pay them. Because remember, me just come out and say me I give you $1 million. Who don't believe me? Who is this guy come out and say no give $1 million to comedian, blah blah blah. So that's why me pay Dino Crazy and WorldDawg for market the show and promote the show.
Me never deserve payment for the bag of strength when me bring to.
Tavi, as we say, for the first half still...
Answer my question now, yes or no?
Yes,
No,
Tavi,
look,
you deserve
before
it,
the
bro.
show before the show start, everybody there say, Tavia go win this, Tavia go win it, don't?
Yeah, bro.
You don't think me deserve payment for the strength when me I pull to?
Tavi, you deserve it, bro. But don't lie, you deserve it, bro. I
So
swear.
when my fucking money there now, dog? When my fucking money there now? I got me a show you now, bro, and the thing is, bro, on the use, and the thing is, bro, dog, hold on, alright, me know say me I continue, me I calm down that my say. No, me I go calm down still, me I calm down, pray. We all know say me deserve a decent food, cause me never did forward. If you did give me a food, me wouldn't forward with the intention for win, would have forward with the intention for build a vibes. You understand? And
But Tavi, me want you win, bro.
no, I couldn't win because you pay them G for the realest way. You pay them couldn't win. And when all them are deal with my thing, all them they are deal with me couldn't win because they mentally are hold me down, bro.
Bro, Tavi,
So,
as we said, Tavi.
I don't want to know. Alright, let me ask you a question now. Because it was just so weird. It was just so weird for after I left the show. And when they call me, I beg me for fall back at the place and I do one forward. And then it was just so weird how Swissley, Valor, Dino, WorldDawg, and them people that they start to talk one bag of thing about me say I'm weird. Didn't you have any involvement in that?
Tavi, me can't have no involvement in that, Tavi. I'm not sure you know, Tavi. Me not go sit down with the man and the yap.
So
Tavi, listen up. Tavi, hold on, let me say this to you. Let me say this to you, Tavi. Listen up. Remember, you know, bro, I'm not sure, you know, bro. My mastermind everything as in, me know what happened on the show, bro. If me have 15 person, you have 15 different personality, bro. Your personality, you have to accept it, bro. You just one person like stay by yourself. Do you know them more social, bro? Nothing wrong with that, bro. You understand? So man, them out did and who rap together, don't rap together, bro. You understand? Me not have nothing to do with that part there.
No, but you see that part, at that time part where, so Cashment, hold on, Cashment. Who put out the footage, the 2-3 day them after. You did instruct that for go on, though.
Tavi, as I say, it all in editing, Tavi. I'm sure me pay a whole heap of money for me show, Tavi. Tavi, listen to Tavi. You see the audience them what we have, bro, it's a reality unscripted show, bro. You understand? So everything we go on like us, the audience them have to see we go on, bro. You understand? And that we promise them. Say them won't see.
No,
So we can't cut out nothing, bro.
No man, you know I know say Cashment. I that me not like with the liar thing, you know. And I that me a shake, cause I need you for know say Lexi did dead with me too, you know, dog. And she did tell me certain things, you know, bro. She did show me some meds, you know, dog. And Cashment would appreciate you. The realest way for really talk the truth on everything we go and charge you.
I know me talk, bro.
I know the truth, bro. And I didn't know say they had involvement in the realest way. I chat to WorldDawg now, you know. And he show him basically I put the pulses them together in a dog. Cause I know say him get fee payment. And it just is so weird. For after this you just attack baiting say I'm weird and this and that. Why the man them would have given themselves? Why WorldDawg would have given himself? I end the idea him losing page. Him lose 500,000 followers. Why he would have given himself the realest way Cashment?
Bro, me can't answer that if you have WorldDawg that, and WorldDawg is a liar.
How money you give the man them for do what them a do and them don't know what them a do. And it end up backfire upon the dog them. You know see that?
Tavi, we can't really believe that, bro.
Bro, I don't believe, bro. I would go on, bro.
Tavi, as me say, me pay the man them to promote and market the show. Me link Dino Crazy and me link WorldDawg.
You never pay them for no promotion after. You never pay like
No,
when you
no,
actually
no, give me no money, bro. No, the man them get no more money. One payment. That's why in a contract for them to promote the show. Me have them contract right now. Me can pull up here and show you. We are pay them to promote and market the show. Because of them kind of people kind of know, and once people say they join roommates, people say, alright, I don't know, joke thing this man. It looks serious because WorldDawg the funny. You know Dino the funny. Everybody start join up. You see me? Yeah, bro. Remember say about 2-3 video Dino do, you know. Yeah, bro. But as me say, bro, your talent, bro, unmatched, my youth. You have to just continue do what you do, bro. You see me? Me not see a second out there, bro. You have to just focus, my youth. And just don't pre them bag of things, the dog. They say me pay this, me bro, me not no time to get up and say me I pay somebody to go get. Me have 15 comedian, bro. Me no need to do nothing, bro. It should automatically be a hit. You hold on naturally have a talent, bro. Me no want to say funny, hilarious. You naturally hilarious, brother.
When me I get my money now?
How much money you want, Tavi?
How much money you give them?
Tavi, we can't disclose that on the phone, but I don't know bag of money, Tavi.
Same amount of money where you give WorldDawg, I same amount of money where I want. Because me and him bring strength to the show. If you give, me you say you give him about half a mil or 400 to or so. Give me half a mil.
No, bro, me give. Remember, all right. In terms of WorldDawg, now, remember, say WorldDawg at that time the WorldDawg we kind of broke and hungry, you know. So at that time the dog when me link WorldDawg, me say WorldDawg. Cause guess what? Me know WorldDawg manager, Zin. So me link WorldDawg and me say, yo, you know, say me have a show and me tell me concept, say, yo.
Blood clot.
Bro.
Yeah. You said the dog broke and hungry like me never broke and hungry too.
Well, I tell you everything, or puzzle come together. So WorldDawg when kind of broke and hungry, so after me link he manager now which I'm a dog. And me say, you know, say, tell the dog the concept, then the dog put WorldDawg on the phone and me say, WorldDawg, you know, say, me have a show more give money make you just come. You know, be fierce and kind of promote it because people know you already and people know sorry. A serious thing. And the dog I say, oh, me can do it for free, man. And I say, no, WorldDawg, man, I'm give one little money, man. So you can buy a little clothes and put yourself together. A free dog we want to do it for, bro. Come tell you, say, man, not even broke and hungry at the time. You see me? Yeah, dog. And me still come and me give man the money. Are you see them left me give him $1,000 with them left. The man shit me and lad me out. Man say, brother, you know what this how do for me out? The man shit me and out. Me have to tell the man, say, bro, I grand prize, you know. I just want $1,000.
What really the star of your show?
As me say, when we start with Dino crazy, but as me say, yo, everybody have their talent, bro. Me not go, me must have my show, bro. Me can't go and say,
who create the most impression by your show?
The audience have to tell you that. Tavi.
You know, see the comment section, you know, see what happened after me left the show. What happened after me left the show?
Eh?
What happened after me left the show? People never stop watching.
No, Tavi, top watch the show.
Yeah, man, I will if people stop watching because Tavi no left on it.
No, Tavi, make yourself, not tell yourself that, man. No, yes, you play a major part in that show, bro. I'm not take that from you, bro.
I comment section where they look pan.
No, man. Your audience, them here, Tavi, no watch them. Your audience, them pack up your head.
No, I'll whole heap of people right now in the space right now. I don't even my audience. My friend them there still. My supporters them there.
Yeah,
people and we can testify when they even support me. Can testify and say, yo, you know, say the dog, you carry the show still. You know, think me carry the show, bro. You know, think me giving a blueprint with the confessional them.
Yeah, bro, but not take that from you, bro.
So stop around with me, dog, and pay me. No, dog. You wanna? How much you can give me right now?
I can't say no one lion, I will square off it.
Brother, one lion that are 200. How the blood clot you say? You think me worth 250? And that you try some worth $250, brother?
No, Tavi, bro, I'm not just no, bro. I'm just ask and negotiate, bro.
No, brother. No, brother. $500,000, how much lion that?
Half a what?
$500,000, how much lion that? That sound like about 10, 15 lion, though.
Tavi, I'm not give nobody $500,000, brother. If WorldDawg will get $500,000, brother, right now, WorldDawg got down my foot right now. I'm a yard boy. I tell you. The dog got lad me right now.
Bro, me not take one lion from you, brother. I need repercussion. This coming like slavery. Cause remember say, me they get beat mentally, you know. Beat mentally, you know, brother. Me they just live on one yard where I have a blood clot piece of balcony, you know. Me they got jump down the balcony, you know, brother. I was about to die, you know. So you have to go pay for all of them is there right now. All of them is there when I go through Cashment. You have to go pay for my youth. Brother, I'm suicidal, you fuck, bro. I don't know joke thing.
Me know you, and me just want to say that, like, you know, deep down, bro, we apologize for everything, brother, and how things work out. But I say nothing never really planned that, but me know say take a toll upon you, dog. And I say anything we can do, bro, more do it. You see me? Because yo, me just want you get back in your mind. Brother, Tavii, you know your body and you're creative, you know, you get back in that mind space which part. You know, you don't have no burden on your shoulder, you just focus on your content them and show them people what is creativity, bro. You see me?
Bro. You know, some I go through for years because I want to Cashment. From that, no, from that till now, bro. Dog, no man Cashment, bro. I don't fuck with my mates, bro. I forgive you, know, bro. I forgive you, because I have to do now for the phone selfish ways because I'm a selfish ways them.
No, but I tell you, I have nothing to do with it, bro. Tavii, I have nothing to do with it. If you create one show, you know, you say you create a reality show, you know, bro. You know, have nothing to do with it, you know, Tavii. People eventually drama and anything they will develop, you know. You grew up with your siblings, them, right? You don't have problem and disagreement all the time. I see same thing is a couple of people living in one house. Eventually drama will come. You don't have to script nothing or we don't have to pay nobody for the nothing, bro. You see me?
Right now, I lie to me, bro. I know. I'm not go there and pretend like.
Tavii, oh, me I like you, Tavii. Me not like you, bro.
I love it, bro. But the fact,
Tavii, me I deal up on the realness, bro. You sure gone how long? You sure gone how long? See?
yeah.
Me I deal with the realness, bro.
You sure gone how long, but I'm still there, so fuck up, do dog. You did.
Me know, bro. Me I tell you anything we can do, bro, if we kind of get you back. Or, you see me? To a better place or whatever.
The reaper come out, a slavery dog. When they did involve in a slavery, man.
No, but Tavii, our competition with Tavii, people are compete for money, you know, bro. We can't pay people who are compete for
me did want to come back I mansion. Me did want to come back after I go around this up. I feel sober. You know what the man them there in the bus I do? You never there in the bus Cashment. You know what the man them in the bus I do? Make me cut from Trelawney. Me cut out the bus and there some part of Trelawney. You know what the fuck me there? The man them in the bus I taunt me, dog. I say, but I tell you is no man can touch the, you know. Valdo said that out time mouth. And then some and then the brother they are chat off them more, brother. Brother, I could have commit multiple murder in the bus, you know. I'm
I couldn't read why you come back, you know, bro. Because I know say it kind of, I know if you come back, bro, I know you're that type of real lad, brother.
Alright, I never did come back because I did hurt him, bro. So I did call and I say, Ray, I need my thing them, I need my laptop, I need my thing them. I will ask my thing them, bro, Cashment, and they never want to make me leg off a show. Tell the honest truth.
Eh?
When they never did call me for come back a show, bro, I'm never the one forward.
Yeah, bro, I'm not that.
Yeah,
of course, we'll reach out to you.
And you know what is so funny? When you talk it for make it look like some get eliminated, don't?
Eh?
When you never talk and make it look like some get eliminated from the show when I not come, you want to come back.
No, man, I don't really say eliminated still. I kind of anybody fight or eventually come off a show. The reason WorldDawg when come back, people they kind of vote him back on the show.
Oh, so nobody never vote. Who vote him? Who they vote him back?
Majority.
What you call majority? Which mass of people do that?
But them vote back. Them vote for you to come back same way. I'm gonna link you.
Yeah, man, them vote. So the whole 14 of them vote him back in the place and vote me out.
No, nobody no vote you out, Tavii. Nobody no vote you out, bro. You
so
see me?
It was a case
Well, I know. After everything done, Zin. After I done fight, everybody the back of house. Everybody went there together. We are say, all right. When you say if we bring them back, everybody say, yeah, man, bring them back. You understand? So we reach out to you.
How the voting thing go now?
So that will be kind of one voting, man. Everybody has say, man, bring them back, bring it two of them back. So I don't really like say single vote. All right, who vote for Tavii? Who vote for this? Everybody has say, oh, bring them back. Able boss, everybody, everybody.
But you just said the house vote for him for come back at house and not me.
Tavi, and that me say Tavi, me say everybody just vote, bro. Everybody come together and say, all right, bring them back. No, Tavi never want to come back. Comment section. Tavi never want to come back. Remember, say Tavi just admit. We reach out to Tavi.
Yeah, link boy now at 2 o'clock here. Stand by here.
So Tavi, we say we can't make it right by. We say yeah, we invest in our show. I miss somebody just comment, you know.
Hold on the artist. Shut your mouth, you don't see me talk, dog, brother. You just. Yo, sorry, my God.
You know, so that today now, Tavi, you see though.
God. Yeah, man, I bring the thing them for you. You want a backside? Which one of the brand them? Alright, I say a word, God. Marvin, I say a word. I'm stooling you. You chat to my God, you shut your mouth, dog.
You see, same thing, bro. You see, same thing, guys. Sometimes you can't deal with bad man.
No, brother, but real people more than you, bro. But pretty. No. I know disrespect that still. I joke thing that still. Because you don't know a atty, you know. You don't know a atty. No, when I got disrespect you. None tall, you know, Cashment, when I got disrespect you.
So, Tavi, where say? You know, I'm investing in my show, well.
Investing in my show?
Me no want no back. Yeah, me just give whatever. It'll be still as your payment or whatever you say.
Alright, you are going. You are going. I tell you. I'm supporters them invest in my show the realest way. And we don't want it to be an investor. We want it to be a contributor.
Contributor, not an investor, contributor.
Yeah. You have to go contribute towards my show, and that would have been for the contribution them where you'd have something that would have basically be the payment for yourself.
So we just square off it. I just want to see you win, bro. Me not look after no.
So alright then, I'm asking now, how much money you contribute towards the cause now? Because we want to know where you contribute now to the movie.
One thing lion of it just somehow said.
You say?
A lion.
And the lion you talk about? You still talk about lion, dog? $250. You look at no, bro. You really look at me like $250, dog. That's the style, you know.
No, bro.